Alright, so today I'm going to be rewiring the O2 sensor. I'm basically just not happy with how I have everything connected. I don't feel comfortable with it, so I'm going to disconnect everything and solder everything. So that should be fun. Alright, so here's the O2 sensor right now. Here's the sensor. And I basically just had the two grounds bolting directly to the body. There's the original single wire sensor connection and then the 12 volt. My idea is I'm just gonna have one tube that goes. I don't want to have this like split stuff. That looks so bad. So that's my plan. I hate soldering. It's kind of janky, but I think it'll work. Hell yeah. Impossible, I feel like. Well, that was a fail. Should have known better. Should have known trying to slide a 2-foot piece of shrink wrap over 4 wires would be a pain. So I'm gonna try something else. I got this. This is cold shrink tape. I'll give that a shot. Wow, I am happy with that. That looks good. I definitely recommend this cold shrink. It's pretty cool. Alright, so here's how it looks now. Looks so much better. So clean. So I got these 2 long wires. Those are both the grounds. And then I got signal wire and the 12 volt right here. I'm gonna splice this back on. And then I'll probably crimp on these once it's in the truck. So I think I'm about to install this thing. Alright, I think I'm done with the O2 sensor now. I'm going to show you where everything is. Grounded, says there. That's one of the grounds. Signal wire. Another ground right there. And I'm still using that double fuse thing. And I actually switched it to the top middle, the cigarette lighter circuit. So, and here's the O2 sensor now. Got one strand going all the way up instead of the dangly 2 ground things. So I think it looks a lot cleaner. It's going to be more reliable. I just want to give a quick little shout out to a fellow viewer of the channel. He actually suggested where to like put the grounds, and he's got a clean 4runner build. I'll put his Instagram right here. Go check him out, go follow him. So yeah, next thing on the list. Alright, about to splice these 2 wires and these for the brake fluid sensor. Alright, here it is. It doesn't look super pretty, but it's functional. I hope it functions, so. Yeah. Fixing to put the hood on the truck, but before I do that, I figured I'd give it a wash on top, and I'm currently doing the underside right now, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna paint it right now. I guess that's where I start for the night. Alright, so I went to start this thing the other day and I got the damn click noise again. I did a lot of research and I basically found with a certain year of these trucks, they basically came from factory wired, not necessarily incorrectly, but there were flaws, so yeah, incorrectly, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt this mod. I found it on Yotatech. I'll put a link in the description for the full post so you can check it out. In a nutshell, you have to verify right here if your truck has the flawed wiring harness, and mine does based on the color of the wires. Once you do that, you can verify with an ohm meter. Basically, you have to have the fuse box, the battery connected. The key should not be in the start position, and you ohm out to these connectors. Basically, the mod, you cut a wire and hook it directly to the battery, and that should hopefully cure this issue. All right, so if your truck has the same wiring as mine, then it's wrong. What you want to do with the fuse box with the battery connected, there should be 12 volts between these two and nothing. The next thing you want to do is switch it to ohms, and according to the post, you should have high resistance here, and if it's less than a few ohms, then that will tell you right away that you have a flawed wiring system. And it looks like we're getting 0 ohms, or an open circuit, which indicates a short and a voltage drop. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is cut this wire. It should look like this. This end is open, this end is capped. What I'm going to do now is solder this wire and this wire to this thing. Well, since I suck at soldering, this is how far I am. I got these 2 joints soldered, and then soldered, so it's ready to go in the truck. I should have this thing. Okay, well, it's hooked up, and I'm just trying to get the starter to engage. I know if it engages, the truck will start. So I got the coil wire unplugged, so let's give it a shot. Yes! One more thing checked off the list. Like I said earlier, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can find a more in-depth Yotatech post on this issue. So I hope this helps you guys. So, help me. So, I'm going to call that a win. And I know in my last video, I said that I would get to the exhaust in this video, but I'm just going to keep this one short. And in the next video, I will be welding up this exhaust tubing. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.